Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, we need to open settings. For that, you have to right click on this start icon and then click on settings. You can also directly search from here. Type here settings and from these search results, click here. Then you need to select system, then go for display tab and just scroll down and then click on graphics. Once we are here, we have to select the desktop app and then click on browse button. Once we are here, go to this PC, then open C drive, then go open the program files folder and simply go for OBS Studio folder. Just double click on it to open it. Once we are here, we need to open bin file. Then you can either open 64-bit or 32-bit, so double click on it to open it. Select the OBS 64-bit file and click on add. So once we are here, you will get this OBS Studio. If you scroll down, then click on options and select the power saving option, then click on save and just restart the system. That's it guys. You can also check out the pin comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.